Hello, fruit lovers. Welcome back to our garden journey. Today, we're diving deep into the secrets of blueberry growth. Firstly, picking the right variety is key. Each variety has its preferences for soil type, climate, and yield. So, do your research and choose a variety that thrives in your garden. Secondly, it's crucial to address any early issues. If your blueberry plant is showing signs of stress or disease, tackle it immediately. A healthy plant means a robust growth. Thirdly, fertilization is important. Fertilizing your blueberry bushes with a slow-release fertilizer will provide them with the nutrients they need for growth. But remember not to overdo it, as excess can lead to burns or damage the roots. Lastly, pruning is essential for promoting growth and fruit production. Remove dead or diseased branches and shape the plant to allow sunlight and airflow throughout. That's all for today's tips on speeding up blueberry growth. Keep these tips in mind and watch as your small blueberry bush blossoms into a fruitful tree. Thanks for joining us today, and if you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more gardening guidance. Until next time, happy growing!